A can complete a job in 20 days. Person B can complete a job in 30 days. Then the question they may ask like this: A plus B can complete a job in how many days? Whenever if they ask question, days if they give time if they give, you assume work. If you have only time, you don't have any other things, you can assume work. Any number you can assume, but the LCM if you assume, calculation will be easy. Work means LCM. So I can assume 20 and 30 LCM. That is the work I can assume. 20, 30 LCM, 60. So 60 is a work. Now I want to find out after getting work, efficiency or capacity I need to find out. How to find out capacity? If I give 60 parts of the work, A can complete it in 20 days. Then in one day, what is the capacity? 3. How you are getting that capacity means, efficiency how to find out means, work divided by time. Work divided by time. That is called capacity. So work is 60 divided by 20 is 3. Can you tell what is the capacity of B? 2. 60 divided by 30. Now A plus B completed in one day. How much work means 5 parts A plus B can complete it. Okay, A plus B can complete it 5 parts. Now 60 parts if I give work, every day they can complete it 5 parts means how many days A plus B will take? 12 days A plus B can complete that same job. Is it clear? First type question? Write on this. Write on. That also write on. It's okay. All type 111 question I will do it. Okay, then easily you can understand. Even you can do revision. This same video I will upload. Yeah, time is how many days. Suppose I will give one work. For example, I will give work like I will give one 30 page, here 60 page I will give to write. That is the work I will assign. Now you will take 20 days to finish that 60 page. Then daily how many pages you can able to write. That is the work. How many pages your capacity. That is the work. Okay. So how to find out that capacity means efficiency or capacity both are same. To find out efficiency, work divided by time. Work I will give 60 parts. How many days you will take? Actually 20 days. Then in one day, how much work you can complete? That is the meaning of year 3 or capacity. Efficiency both are same.
Work will be given this.
Yes. Work you have, if they won't give, you have to assume. Okay. You have to assume. Clear? Understood? First time. I will give one example. You try to do it. A can complete a job in 10 days. B can complete a job in 12 days. C can complete a job in 15 days. Then A plus B plus C can complete a job in how many days? A plus B plus C can complete a job in how many days? A plus B plus C can complete a job in how many days? A plus B plus C can 12. Good. Again 12. So try others also. It is a type 1 question. Same, you can assume first work. Okay, first you can assume work. Whenever you have only time, you can assume work. What is the work means? LCM. Always remember work means LCM. What is the LCM of 10, 12, 15? 60. Correct. 60. Now 60 divided by 10 to find out capacity or efficiency, work divided by time. 60 divided by 10 is 6. 60 divided by 12, that is 5. 60 divided by 15, that is 4. Now A plus B plus C, A can able to write or A can do in one day 6 parts work, B can do 5 parts work, C can do 4 parts work, which means 6 plus 5, 11, 11 plus 4, 15 parts work A plus B plus C can complete it. Now to finish 60 parts of the work, if I give 15 parts every day, then how many days A will take? 4 days, that's right. Is it clear? So your answer will be 4 days. Clear? It is type 2 question. Same example, they will give some difficult question like, I will take it. Is it overwriting?
Yeah.
Okay. Now the question will be like this. A can complete a job 20 by 3 days. Sometime you will get like this number, 20 by 3 days. B can complete a job 10 by 4 days, 10 by 5. Let's take it 10 by 3, 2 or 7 days. Let's take this 10 by 7 days. Okay, then how many days A plus B can do work? Same thing, whenever you have fraction, no worry about denominator. No worry about denominator. Only take numerator LCM. Numerator LCM only. If you have a fraction, take only numerator LCM. No worry about denominator. Only take numerator LCM. Can you tell what is the numerator LCM? 20 and 10? 20. LCM is 20. Now we have to find out capacity. How to find out capacity? What is the equation to find out capacity or efficiency? Work divided by time. 20 divided by 20 by 3. Time is 20 by 3. Is it clear? 20 by 20 by 3. Instead of that, can I write 20 into 3 by 20 also? Okay, yes, 3 by 20 also. Then 20 get cancelled. 3 is the capacity. Can you tell what is the capacity of B? 20 divided by 10 by 7. Can I write 7 by 10 also? Okay, 7 by 10 also. Then it will be 14. Then A plus B can complete it in one day. How much work means? 17 parts completed. Now, yeah, A plus B can complete a work in 17 parts. Now, if I give 20 parts, every day 17 pages they can write. That will be your answer. If I write it mixed fraction, 17 ones are 17, 3 by 17. Write it in mixed fraction always days. Okay, 3 by 17 days A plus B will complete it. Clear? No need to write decimal. Almost it will be in fraction, not in decimal. 90% of the questions it will be in fractions. If it is decimal, you have to write it like you have to write it 0.712 because 17 ones are 17 only. Remaining will be 13, 130, 17, 8. So 1.8 you will get something like that. Clear now this? Understood? It is a type 2 problem. Okay, in this type 1 method 2 it is. Next type 2, write it type 2. Type 2. Type 2 problem. Type 2 problem they will give like this. A can complete a job in 10 days. B can complete a job in 12 days. C can complete a job, I need to find out that. But A plus B plus C can complete a job in 6 days. 6 days. Now I need to find out C alone can complete a job in how many days? This is a question they will ask. C alone will complete a job in how many days? Same thing, first find out work. What is the LCM of 10, 12, 6? 10, 12, 6. 60 only again? Yes or no? 10, 12, 6 is 60 only LCM. What is the capacity of A? 6. What is the capacity of B? 5. What is the capacity of A plus B plus C? 10. Correct? No, it is wrong question. It is wrong question. Wrong question. Question is wrong. It's not possible. It's minus it will be. It's not supposed. Here I have to take it 4 days. Let's take it. Randomly I am taking, that's why. Let's take it 4 days. Then LCM again 60 only. Correct? Yes or no? LCM is again 60. A can complete a work in how much work? 6 parts. B can complete a job in 5 parts. Then it will be 15 parts. Correct? Now A plus B plus C capacity. A plus B plus C capacity will be in one day 15 parts. Out of 15 parts, A can do 6 parts. B can do 5 parts. Now I can find out C. Yeah, C will be 4. Then C can do every day 4 parts. Now if I give total work, means 60 pages if I give, 60 pages if I give, C can do 4 parts every day, means how many days C will take? 15 days C will take. So that will be your answer. Write on this. Over.
Yeah.
Next type question. Next type question will be like this. A can complete a job. A can complete a job. Complete a job. A can complete a job 25% in 4 days. 4 days. B can complete a job. B can complete a job 10% of job in 5 days. Then A plus B can complete a job in how many days? Total job. Sometimes they may give in percentage, sometimes they may give fraction also. Which means fraction how they may give, instead of 25%, they will give 1/4 of the job. Clear? Instead of 10%, they may give 1/10 of the job. Same question. Now see how to solve it. Can you tell? Always you need, remember this, always you need total time. If I give one job, you should tell total time. Don't tell half of time. Now this is a question half of time. I will give one job. But you said what? I can finish 25% job in 4 days. But I want actually 100% of job. Can you tell if I give one job, 100% job I will give. But you said 25% I can finish it in 4 days. Yeah. Then 100% how many days? 16 days. Clear? Then A can complete his total work in 16 days. Even if they give in fraction, how to do it? Observe here. If they give in fraction, 1/4. I gave actually 1/4 of the job. But he said to finish one part, he will take 4 days. Then to finish 4 parts, how many days he will take? If they give in fraction. Is it clear? Understood, right? So this same answer you will get. Okay. Now here, to finish 10% 5 days means 100% 50 days. Correct. 10% of the job in 5 days he can do it means 100% of the job how many days? 50 days. So B can complete job 50 days. Can I assume LCM will be 800? 16 into 50. Because no common in 16 and 50, we don't have any common. Just multiplication, that's it. Understood, right? Okay, so that will be this one 800. Any number you can assume. If you are not getting LCM, no need to take LCM. Just multiply 16 into 50. Any number you can take. Multiples of 16 into 50. Any number you can take. If you don't know LCM, just multiply 16 into 50 is the LCM. 800. Now candidate capacity will be 50. Capacity will be 16. Okay, so 800 divided by 16, 800 divided by 50. Now A plus B can complete a job every day 66 parts of the work. Now 800 divided by 66. Can I write that number 400 divided by 33? That will be days. If they give in fraction, in mix of fraction, you can convert. Anyway, options we can make based on option, we can do it. Is it clear? This type of question. Right on. Next model will go. I will take it. I will take it one more question. Just write down. I will take one more question. Same type question. Over this. Next. Same type question I will take it. Observe here. For example, observe. I will do it. A, you try this. A can complete a job. For example, 20% of the job in 5 days. In 5 days. B can complete a job 5% of the job in 2 days. Now A plus B can complete job in how many days? You try this question. Hello. Yeah, tell me. Yeah, tell me. No, thank you. Try that. Over. Tell me from this. Tell me A can complete job in how many days total? 25, because 20% in 5 days means 100% how many days? Sometimes they will give 1 by 5 also, remember it. Okay, 1 by 5 also. They may give anything. To do both I will explain. 20% of the job A can do 5 days means to finish 100% of the job in how many days? Do cross multiplication. That is 5 into 100 divided by 20. If you do cross multiplication, that is 21s are 20, 25s are 100, 5 into 5, 25 days. So A can complete job in 25 days. Like that B also. B can complete it 5%, 5% of the job in 2 days means, 2 days means to finish 100% of the job. 100% of the job in how many days means 5 ones are 5 20s are 20 into 2, 40 days. B can complete job in 40 days. Can I assume 1000 is LCM? 200 also. Yes, you can assume. So if I don't know, if I can't able to do it LCM, I can do it. Yes, for 200 is the best. Yes, 200 is the LCM. Even 1000, any number you can assume. No issue that. Work 200 is the LCM. Tell me.
200.
Yeah, 200 here 200 by 25 is 8. Correct. 200 divided by 40 is 5. Then 8 plus 5, 13. 13, 200 divided by 13. That will be the answer. Is it clear now? You got it right? Understood? Yeah, that will be the answer. Next type question will go. Next type will go. No, time space distance it will come. It will come pipes and cistern in this concept. Clear this concept, you clear, right? Next concept in this, one more type, type 3 problem. Now type 2 over, type 3 problem. Type 3 problem. Okay, type 3 problem, the question they will give like this. Person A can complete a job in 10 days. Person B can complete a job in 15 days. A is working 2 days. A is working 2 days. He left the job. A is working 2 days. After that he left the job 2 days. After that he left the job. After that he left the job. After that he left the job. He left. Then find how many days B will do remaining job. Then B will do remaining job. B will do remaining job in how many days? Remaining job in how many days? This is the question here. Okay. So now, can you tell what is the work? Means LCM. What is the work here? 10 and 15? 30. So 30 is the LCM. Can you tell what is the A capacity? 3. Can you tell what is the B capacity? 2. Now who is working started? Who worked started? A or B or both? A. A only working 2 days. In 1 day A can do 3 parts of the work in 1 day. Like that A is working 2 days. 3 into 2. 6 days A 6 parts A completed work. Out of 30, 6 parts A completed in 2 days. Is it clear that statement? Out of 30, if A completed 6 parts means, can you tell what is the remaining work? 24. Now A left the job. Okay, now A left the job. Now I will give B. Now I will give that job to B. B can do every day how much work? 2 parts. If I give 24 parts to B, every day B can do 2 parts of the work means B will take how many days? 12 days B will take to finish that remaining work. So remaining work B will take 12 days. That will be the answer. Is it clear? Remaining work, because see, A completed 6 parts work total in 2 days. Out of 30, 6 parts A completed means remaining work will be 24. This 24 I will give to B. B can do every day 2 parts work only. Okay, 2 parts work only. B can do every day 2 parts work only. Then if I give 24 parts work, then B will take how many days? 12 days. Clear now? Understood. Next. Observe. Just a minute. Next question. Same type, small change I will do. A can complete a job 15 days. B can complete a job. No, same example I will take it. 10 days. A plus B working together. A and B working together 3 days. A and B working together 3 days. Working together 3 days. Together 3 days. 3 days. After that A left. After that A left. Then B will finish the remaining work how many days? B will finish the remaining work in how many days? That I need to find out. Okay. Let's do it. This question. How to do this question? Observe here. Now according to this question, can I assume 30 is the work? Correct? What is the A capacity? If I assume 30 is the work, because 15 and 10 is LCM is 30, so capacity is 2, capacity is 3. Correct? Now what is the A? Who started the work? A or B or both? Both. A plus B, both capacity will be 5 parts. Like that, how many days they are working together? 3 days, which means 15 parts work over. Out of 30, 15 parts work over. Now remaining 15 parts work is pending. In that situation, A left. Now this 15 parts work who will do? B will do. I will give that 15 parts to B, but B capacity is every day 3 parts. Then how many days B will take? 5 days B will take. So your answer will be 5 days. Okay. Clear this model is clear. Understood? Next, alternative concept. Next concept. Alternative concept. Alternative work. Next concept is alternative work. So what is the meaning of alternative work? Let's understand. For example, A can complete a job in 10 days. B can complete a job in 5 days. They are working alternatively, one day one person. Okay, A will do first day, second day B will do. How many days they will take to finish a job? It is a question. A can do work in 10 days, B can do work in 5 days. They are working alternatively, beginning with A. Then how many days they will take to finish a job? If I do basic way, which means step by step, can I assume 10 and 5 LCM will be 10? Work. That is the work. Can you tell what is the capacity of A? 1. Capacity of A will be 1. Can you tell what is the capacity of B? 2. Now first day who will come to work? A. A will come in one day, one part he will do. B will come next day, 2 parts he will do. A will come third day, 1 part he will do. B will come fourth day, 2 parts he will do. A will come fifth day, 1 part he will do. B will come to sixth day, 2 parts will do. 9 parts work over. Correct? Yes or no? Then next day, 7th day, A will come over 10 parts. Then 7 days. But instead of doing like this, if it is a 10, okay. If it is 100, we can't write it like this. Then how to write it means, if you observe every 2 days, 3 parts work is over. Correct? Because first day A will come, he will do. Second day B will come, he will do. Third day who will come? Again A will come. Which means every 2 days, A is repeated. Okay, which means every 2 days, observe here how to do it. Every 2 days, how much work over means 3 parts work over. Correct? Every 2 days, 3 parts work over. To finish 10 parts work, how many days we need? That is the equation here. See, remember, in alternative work, we are not supposed to take decimal number. We have to take only integer number, which means 10 divided by 3 into 2 write separate. That is called cycles, because every 2 days 1 cycles. That write it separate. Now if I solve that equation, observe here, very important. 3 1s are 3, 3 3s are. How much 3 3s are? 9 parts work over. Don't keep it point. We have to write it only integer. 3 3s are 9 parts work over. How many days over means 3 into 2, 6 days over. Still work pending. How much work pending still? 1. Next day who will come? A. Next still one part work pending. A will come next day. Even his capacity also 1. Then he will take how many days? 1 day he will take. Then to finish 10 parts of the work, how many days total we need? 7 days. Right on. One more I will explain, then you will understand this alternative concept. Sometimes you will get in case later. I will explain this. 2 more we will do it in this concept. Over this, I will do one more. Observe here. Next model will go after this. So A can complete a job in 10 days, B can complete a job in 20 days. Then alternatively they are working. Then how many days they required to complete a job? Can I assume work will be 20? What is the capacity of A? 2. What is the capacity of B? 1. Every 2 days A will do first 2 parts, B will do second day 1 part. Every 2 days how much work completed? 3 parts work completed, because 2 plus 1, 3 parts work completed. To finish 20 parts of the work, how many days we required? If I do cross multiplication, 20 divided by 3 into 2. Okay, into 2. Don't multiply 20 into 2 starting. Okay, always you have to do this. 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are 18. Okay, so 18 parts work over, 6 2s are 12 days over. Still how much work pending? 2. Next day who will come? A. His capacity also 2, correct? Even so next day A will come. 2 parts we need, even his capacity also 2, then he will take 1 day. Okay, he will take 1 day to finish that. So how many days it's over? 13 days to finish that 20 parts work. Is it clear? One more I will do it. 3 1s are 3, 3 6s are how much? 18. 18 parts work over. Tell me. Decimal, yeah, I will take that question. Now A will take 15 days to finish a job, B will take 12 days to finish a job. Yeah, this I will take. Now total work will be 60, correct? First day A will do, in the question they will give that. Capacity is 4 year, capacity is 5 year. Can you tell A will beginning a job every 2 days, how much work completed means 9 parts work completed. Every 2 days 9 parts were completed. To finish 60 parts of the work, how many days they required? That is the question here. Here observe, here very important. 60 divided by 9 into 2. Observe here. Now tell me 9 1s are 9, how many times 60? 9 1s are 9. 9 6 are how much? 9 6 are 54. Okay, it means 54 parts work over. 54 parts work over. Still we have a 9 6 are 54, 9 7s it will be more, it is. So 9 6 are only possible. Is it clear everyone? So 54 parts work over. So how many days over? 12 days over. Still work pending. How much work pending? 6 parts work pending. Still we have a 6 parts work. Next day who will come? A will come next day, correct? But A will come, A capacity in 1 day how much? Only 4 parts? Yes or no? Then he will take 1 day, which means 58 over work. How much over? 58. Still work pending. How much work? 2 parts. Next day who will come? B. Next day B will come. It is A, B will come next day. But what is his capacity in 1 day? Which means is he required full day? We don't want full day. Then how to write that? He have to do 2 parts, but his capacity is 5. Out of 5 he will do how many parts? 2 parts. that many days he will take. 2 by 5 days he will take. Is it clear? Then total to finish 60 parts of the work, 13 2 by 5 days they need. 13 2 by 5 days they need. Is it clear? That is your doubt, right? Yeah. 13 2 by 5 days. Is it clear? Alternative work concept. Next, men, women, children concept. Last concept in this. Men, women, children concept. Till now we solved the question. Only whenever we have one person we will give a job. Whenever if you give a job on the group, then we will use a equation, this equation. M1 into D1 into time 1 is divided by work 1 is equal to M2 into D2 into time 2 divided by work 2. This is the equation we will use whenever if you give job for one group. For example, in the question they will give like this: 6 men can complete a job in 12 days. 6 men can complete a job in 12 days. Then 5 men can complete a job in how many days? That is the question they will give. 6 men can complete a job in 12 days. Then 5 men can complete a job in how many days? That is the question they will give. Then how to solve? In first equation, 6 men, that is a M means men's. Days, how many days they can do? 12 days. Same work in another equation, 5 men's in how many days? D2 I want to find out. Okay, D2 I want to find out. Solve that equation. M get cancelled here. 60 divided by 5 days. Correct? So, sorry, 72. 12 6 is 72. Correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
72 divided by 5. That will be D2. That will be 14.4 days, or 14 1 by 8 also you can write. Is it clear? 4 by 5. That 4 by 5 also you can write. So that will be your answer. Is it clear, this concept? Write down one more. Last question in this. This question important. This concept also you will get most of the time. 6 men can complete a job in 12 days. 5 women can complete a job in 12 days. Then 6 men and 5 women can complete a job in how many days? It is important question. 6 men can complete a job in 12 days. 5 women can complete a job in 12 days. Then 6 men and 5 women can complete a job in how many days? Say now, this question is important. Let's see. Okay, how to solve this question? So, 6 men can complete a job in 12 days into 12 men into days. Same job. 5 women can complete a job in 12 days. Now can I cancel 12? Yes or no? 6 men is equal to 5 women. Now convert all men to women or men to women. Can I write 1 man is equal to 5W divided by 6? Correct? Now in the place of M, I can write it W. 6 into, in the place of M, I can write it 5W by 6 plus 5 women. That only I need to find out. 6 get cancelled. 5W, 10 women. Now I converted all men to women equation. Now you are converted everyone to women, then take this equation. 5 women can complete a job in 12 days. Then 10 women can complete a job in how many days? Yeah. 10 women can complete job in how many days? This 5 1s are 5 2s are 2 1s are 2 6 are. Then answer will be 6 days. This is equation. Okay, here numbers are easy, you can tell, but this is the concept. Is it clear this, everyone? Write on this. I gave now 6 men job. I will give one group. I gave one job to one group, not individually. I am not going to give to A. I am not going to give to B. I gave 6 men. I will give. There is one group, 6 men group. I will give one job. In that situation, I will use this. If I assign a group to job, is it clear? Time and work now. This is the concept of time and work. Okay. Last one question, wages. Okay, wages. Right on. So wages how to distribute. Last one, wages how to distribute. For example, I have 600 rupee. This amount we have. This is the amount I have to give. A can complete a job in 10 days. B can complete a job in 20 days. Now how much A will get salary, how much B will get salary, this is the question they will ask. Whenever if you want to distribute salary based on work, we have to give based on work, how much A completed work, how much B completed work, based on work only we have to give, not on days, not on days, based on work we have to distribute salary. Can I assume 20 is the LCM? Then A capacity will be, which means every day A will do 2 parts work, B will do every day 1 part work, which means I have to distribute salary in which ratio? 2:1 ratio, because A will complete it every day 2 parts, B will do every day 1 part. So in this ratio we have to distribute salary, that is 3 parts is equal to 600, 1 part is equal to 20, so 200, yes or no? Then you will get 400.